Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for all you DeFi builders, algo traders, and crypto tinkerers. We're diving into how to automate buy and sell trades on Raydium using your very own Telegram mini app. I'll show you the full trading logic, condition setups, and how everything works seamlessly from your Telegram interface. Let's break it down. The goal is to create a system where users can open a mini app in Telegram, connect their wallet, set conditions like price thresholds, RSI or volume triggers, and let the bot auto-buy or auto-sell on Raydium, the leading AMM on Solana. This is powerful because it combines real-time on-chain trading with one of the easiest user interfaces, Telegram. Inside the mini app, the experience is clean. 1. Users choose their trading pair, like SOL to USDC. 2. Set a buy condition, like buy when price drops 5%. 3. Set a sell condition, like sell when price rises 8%. 4. Choose trade size and tap Start. The backend will monitor these conditions in real time and trigger Raydium swaps automatically. Let's explore how the trading logic works. You can automate trades based on 1. Price-based triggers. Example, buy when the token price falls below a certain threshold. Sell when it hits a target. 2. Technical indicators, like RSI. Buy when RSI is under 30. Sell when it's above 70. 3. Volume spikes. Enter or exit trades based on 24-hour trading volume changes. These conditions are defined per pair, and the bot continuously checks them, either through oracles like Pyth or by directly querying Raydium pool stats. Here's what happens under the hood. Once a condition is met, your backend prepares a transaction for Raydium. The user's wallet, usually Phantom, signs the transaction. Raydium swap is executed instantly. Telegram notifies the user with a confirmation. This happens in real time and ensures the user stays in control. You can also implement stop loss and take profit options for risk control. The backend handles several key tasks. 1. Fetching live price and volume data. 2. Comparing it against the user's chosen thresholds. 3. Queuing and executing trades when logic is satisfied. 4. Sending updates via Telegram. Buy executed. Sell completed. Strategy paused. For advanced setups, you can even show profit and loss tracking or auto-stop after a profit target is reached. Once your logic is in place, you can deploy the front end to Versal or any static host, and run the backend on your VPS or serverless stack. Use cases: 1. Dollar cost averaging into tokens. 2. Swing trading during high volatility. 3. Auto-sell pumps and secure profit. 4. Building custom strategies for DAO communities or trading groups. And all of this works straight from Telegram. No browser, no TradingView alerts, no manual swaps. That's how you automate your buy and sell trades on Raydium, using the power of Solana and the convenience of a Telegram mini app. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more DeFi dev guides, and comment below if you want to see the full source code or more advanced strategies in the next video. Thanks for watching, and may your trades always be in the green.